Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on 100 new buses that the JUTC is buying. Now, the government is going to be spending $3 billion to buy another new 100 buses. I'm not sure if they are going to be the same CNG like what they got last time, but probably will be. And these buses will arrive by July 2025. So the government will be earmarking another $3 billion during the new fiscal year to procure 100 additional buses for the public transportation system. This will bring the total number acquired over 24 months to improve the service for commuters to 250. And the announcement was made by the Custos for Kingston during the Custos for Kingston, Honorable Stedman Fuller, who made the announcement, said the buses are slated for delivery by July 2025, adding that the units will assist in reducing costs and supporting clean energy goals. Mr. Fuller informed that 10 of the buses will be configured to accommodate persons with disabilities. He made a disclosure while delivering the throne speech during the 2025-26 ceremonial opening of Parliament at Gordon House. Okay, so if they're supporting clean energy goals, then that probably means it's going to be another 100 new CNG buses. Now, this is good because the government had indicated that they would bring in 300 new buses, 100 every year. They brought in 100 in 2024, and it made a huge improvement to the JUTC service. They were even able to start new routes. And according to the timeline, they were to get 100 in 2024, 100 in 2025, and 100 in 2026. So it looks like they are on track. And $3 billion is a huge investment, but it's worth it because Jamaica has no train service. Jamaica has no domestic airline. So people have to rely on buses, or if you have your own car. But for public transport, there is no train service, no airline, so you have to use the buses. You can also use taxis, but the buses are the most efficient way. So it's good that they are building out, they are getting in more buses, because right now JUTC only services a small portion of Jamaica. The Kingston metropolitan area, which is Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, they have routes to St. Thomas, which are doing very well. They have routes to Maypen. I think they're going to as far as Mandeville now with the new highway. They have routes to small areas around and close to Kingston. Montego Bay Metro got some additional buses when the 100 buses came in, and they are expanding their service in close proximity to Montego Bay. So if they get in another 100 new buses, they will help to improve the service in the Kingston metropolitan area, where you have the largest population in Jamaica. But they'll also be able to start new routes, because at the end of the day, we need JUTC to go from Kingston to every major town in Jamaica, and from Montego Bay to every major town in Jamaica. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. So we'll keep you